bacteria formed on your tongue causes tooth decay and bad breath. Scraping out the bacteria prevents cavities, gum disease, and many more conditions. So, we have came up with the 5 best tongue cleaning tools that will improve tongue sensation and appearance. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Are you really worried about your oral hygiene? Only brushing your teeth and flossing is not enough for your oral hygiene. The Orabrush tongue scraper will remove bacteria, helping to leave your breath fresh. It's featured with ultra-soft, micro-pointed bristles that reach deep into the uneven gaps of your tongue. The tongue scraper is designed after a surgeon's scrub brush. The bristles loosen stinky bacteria that cause bad breath. The built-in tongue scraper collects and removes the bacteria and the residue generated from brushing. The Orabrush tongue scraper is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. The users are in love with this tongue cleaning tool. It helps to keep breath fresh according to the users, but few users complained it was not worth it. How to use. It's time to rate this product. The DrTung's tongue cleaner that cleans your tongue quick and effectively. It's made of high-grade stainless steel because it's impervious to bacteria. It's more comfortable and gentle on the tongue than plastic. The pre-curved shape gives precise control and great oral benefits for a small price that provides soft, comfort grip handles. The modern research confirms that tongue cleaning is the best way to remove bacteria that causes bad breath. The DrTung's tongue cleaner is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. According to the reviews, this tongue cleaner works as a game changer for oral hygiene. It shows great results on your tongue, though besides thousands of positive reviews, some users were still not satisfied. How to use. Now it's time to rate this product. Our next preferred tongue cleaning tool will scrape away all of your tongue debris. It's the Healthy and Yoga Tongue Cleaner Scraper. It's made of superior surgical grade stainless steel with comfort grip that ensures it is smooth on the tongue without risk of cuts and sores. It's a suitable tool for plaque removal, bad breath, and to restore oral hygiene or taste sensations. The Healthy and Yoga Tongue Cleaner Scraper is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. According to the reviews, this tongue cleaner works amazingly. This high-quality product is durable enough to work for a long time, though a few users were not satisfied with their product. How to use. Time to check out the ratings. If you're looking for an extra wide stainless steel tongue scraper, the Basic Concepts tongue scraper is the one for you that will remove tongue residue in one scrape. It's made of stainless steel that is firm with the full head to cover your entire tongue and also long-lasting and durable. The tongue scraper features a curved line to fit your tongue and very easy to clean and sanitize. The tools help you to improve taste, remove bacteria, reduce bad breath, and eliminate residue. The basic concepts tongue scraper is available on Amazon with thousands of positive reviews and ratings. The reviews say it all. This tongue cleaner has a great number of users all over the world. It is highly recommended by the users as it provides results instantly, though a few users didn't feel much of a difference. How to use. It's time to rate this tongue cleaning tool. If you want to increase the ability of food tasting, the MasterMedi tongue cleaner is the perfect tool for you. It will not only improve your ability to taste food, but will also work great on oral hygiene. It's made of superior grade stainless steel and the curved handle ensure bacteria-free surface. The tongue cleaner also has a comfort grip and a heavy-duty gauge to ensure it's smooth on the tongue without any scratches. This tool is suitable for plaque removal, bad breath, and to restore oral hygiene or taste sensation. Its ergonomic design makes the tool easier to use. The MasterMedi tongue cleaner is one of the most reviewed on Amazon, and it earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from its users. It gently scrapes away your tongue according to the users, and increases the ability of food taste. It also works to fight bad breath and is super easy to use. Only a few users complained the edges were a bit too sharp for them. How to use. It's time to rate this tongue cleaning tool. So, these are our top picks for tongue cleaning tools. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.